कॉलेजांच्या वाठार आनी पठारांचेर मोटारसायकली घेवन बेकायदेशीर रेसी आनी व्हिली मारपी टोळयांचो बंदोबस्त करतले म्हणून सुदीन ढवळीकारान उतर दिलां. ह्यो टोळयो दर्यादेग वाठारांनी चड वावुरतात. असले रेसींनी भुरग्यांचो जीवूय गेला. तांच्यो नाडयो आवळच्यो म्हूण मायकल लोबोन विशय काडिल्लो. कळंगुटे एका स्कुलाचे भायर तवनासांच्यो टोळयो येवन चलयांक त्रास करतात म्हणूनय ताणें प्रस्न काडिल्लो. असले स्कुलां कडेन PCR व्हॅन दवरून टोळयांचो बंदोबस्त करपाचें उतर शिक्षण मंत्री पर्रीकारान दिलां.
Lots of youth are involved in illegal two-wheeler bike racing, thereby creating a danger and fear to the lives of pedestrians and vehicular traffic. There is no proper patrolling by Goa Police and RTO, and no strict action has been taken against such illegal bike racing. What steps government intends to take in this matter?
अशे काही प्लेसीस आसा ज्या कडेन मोटरसायकलवाले म्हणजे स्पेशली भुरगीं कॉलेजीची भुरगीं रेस मारता आनी एका टायराचेर मोटरसायकल वयर काडून चलयता. ह्या गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज कॅम्पस एक आसा, मिरामार तालिगांव रोड एक आसा, आनी त्याच प्रमाणे ज्या कडेन प्लेटो आसा अशा प्लेटोचेर वचून ते करता. आमची नजर आसा हेचेर आनी हें बंद जावपाकूच जाय.
Fear in the minds of the parents of the child studying in schools and higher secondary schools due to loitering of notorious character boys around the entrance of the gates at the time of school leaving hours, that is between 1:30 to 2:30.
Principal, instead of dialing 100, should write to me or the honorable member or any other member if this is, though he didn't say that this is serious, I consider it a very serious. I will provide a PCR or a police patrol at the time the school gets over so that girls don't feel harassed by these rough or gunda boys, whoever come there.
स्कॉटलंड ग्लासगोत सुरू आशिल्ल्या कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्सांत भारतान बरेपैकी सुरवात केल्या. बॅडमिंटन सर्तींत भारतान पयल्या रावंडांत घानाक मारले. जुडोंत भारताचे नवजोत चाना आनी सुशीला निकमागम फायनलींत पावल्यात. बुधवारा रातीं 20व्या कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्साचो उक्तावण सुवाळो ग्लासगो शारांत मोठ्या दबाज्यान जालो.
Together, you all play a part in strengthening our friendships in this modern and vibrant association of nations. It now gives me the greatest pleasure to declare the 20th Commonwealth Games open.
He's looking for the Taitoshi all the time, but he can obviously feel the danger there for the counter-attack. So Brandon Dodge is ahead. Oh, and that's going to be a score. Yuko. It's been given match is it going to be? Could go either way, this one. Oh, Chana took him backwards and gets the win.
Hopefully a gold. As we pointed out optimistically, we're looking at 7 today.
Yeah, I mean Maya first up against Australia and then later on Slovenia.
You know, she's laughing a little bit because of this very, very traditional way of playing.
I think you have to have different ways of breaking down teams. Shot at goal, and it is goal number 3.
Wilmot it is who leads narrowly from McMaster. In fact, they might just about turn together here. Lanes 5 and 4, McMacing. But no doubt about Wilmot looking very strong and touches the wall.
So he's our next man on the track. He's from India. He's the second Indian to take the start. 21 years of age. Amrit Nagai next to go. Now his fellow countryman.
इतल्याने खबरांचे तर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.